What's going on, everybody? I am back with another video. You guys seen the title, seen the thumbnail, and seen the description. Look, y'all, this is a very important video. I should say special video because it has to do with me getting the splitter on my Camaro. I listened to what you guys said. You guys said, like, don't waste $600, $650 on a GM splitter, so I did it. So with that being said, let's go to the front of the car and I'll show you what I did. Come on. I'm fine, sorry about that. Check this out, y'all. Boom, I put the splitter on here. How does it look? I listened to you guys and you guys said that, hey, you should go with the splitter. And I did. I think it makes it look more aggressive. Like, it seriously adds a more aggressive look on here. I got this from online express store. I'll put it in the description when I get home, but I paid $285 for this. I think shipping was like $15, but I've had this on for about, how long, babe?
A week maybe ish.
Yeah, maybe
not
like
even.
Not even a week. And I took this on a highway and all that good stuff. And so far so good. It looks good. It looks more aggressive. This is something that I should have did a long time ago, but I'm glad that I finally did it. Thanks to you guys. Guys, actually, I'm doing an instructional video on this, so that should be out sometime midweek maybe, on how to install it, and that should be a good video as well. But that's not it. What else did I do, babe?
You got red interior.
I got both. I got red interior too. Come check this out, y'all. I got both of them. Come on, let me know what you think. Come on, babe, sit in there. I'll sit on that side. What do y'all think? I think it looks really good. And straight up, man, I think I paid, what, $300 and something for this. So, I mean, I got the leather interior and I got the splitter for about $600 total. I think this makes a big difference. I know a lot of people were going with the splitter. I think a couple people said the red interior, and I couldn't pass up on the interior, man. I think it makes a huge difference. But I just want to come out here and show you guys that I did in fact get the splitter, and I also got the red interior. Let me do a little walk around. Hi, babe. Ooh, that's good. Look at me. Oh, okay. All right, look, it looks way more aggressive now with the tow hook. Nice looking splitter, gives it a more aggressive look. The tire stickers, I love this car. There's babe. What's up, babe? Look, she doing that right now, but she still don't want to speed in this thing. We gonna do it, listen, we gonna do a video of her driving this Camaro, and I will make sure that she hits the gas in this thing. One time. No, more like 5 times. You gotta do it for the YouTube. Little walk around. And there you have it. Look at that red, man. I'm such a red guy. And here, babe, let's close this out. That's all I got for this video. I just want to come out here and show you guys what I did with the car. And stay tuned for the next one. I feel like I'm missing something, babe. Am I missing something?
Subscribe.
Make sure you guys like, comment, share, subscribe. And those people were looking at me earlier, like when I fell off my longboard here. I like to longboard, by the way. This is like a fun hobby of mine. I got to teach my girlfriend how to longboard. It's actually really fun. She's gonna do it. That should be a funny video.
I'm not doing it.
But that's all I got. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one. Peace out. That's not going anywhere. I'm out.
Hmm.
Cut.